The Lenovo ThinkPad 13 starts at $550, 470 pounds. AU $1,330, though it's on sale right now on Lenovo's website for as low as $494, which is a great price for a simple, durably built notebook for basic activities. It's also available in a comic book version that can be found online starting at about $400. The specific model we tested had a Intel Core i3-7100U processor, 4GB of DDR4 RAM, Intel HD graphics 610 and 128GB SSD, for a total of $656. Not just for business, made for business, the ThinkPad 13 also works well for casual personal use, daily office tasks and schoolwork. Its small dimensions are portable enough for a daily commute, or taking from the home office to the coffee shop. Although it's not exactly lightweight at 3 pounds and 17 pence, 1.44 kilograms. I wouldn't call it fashionable by any means, but instead of style it has durability. It's all plastic body, available in silver and black is, according to Lenovo, built to pass 12 military specification tests, including extreme temperatures, vibration, and shock. That's impressive for any laptop, let alone an affordably priced one. The ThinkPad 13's keyboard remains one of its biggest selling points, because Lenovo invests so much in keyboard testing and design. Keys give a firm response with each press, and it has physical left, center and right mouse buttons below the spacebar. The center button can be programmed for scrolling, or as a middle click. The keyboard is not backlit, however. In addition to a small touchpad, there's a little red nub in the middle of the keyboard, called the track point, that easily guides the cursor around the screen. Track points were once popular as a touchpad alternative, but now are only found in a handful of retro-leaning machines like this. The review unit we tested performed well when streaming video, browsing the web, checking email and working on documents. It started to slow down after having about 10 to 11 tabs open in Microsoft Edge, including a streaming video. It's underpowered for anything graphically intensive,